Hi, we're back again with the Waterloo Wellington Children's Groundwater Festival. Simple science experiments that you too can do in your own home. This activity center is called Wastewater Watchers. There's 3 parts to this activity, so it can take you a few days to complete it. To find all the activities, you can go on our website, www.cgf.com, or under cwec.ca under the educator section to get all of the information that you need to be able to do this in your own kitchen. There's 3 parts to this activity, so it can take you a number of days to complete everything on here. The first part is talking about our earth and how it's covered in water, and how we as individuals, how animals, how trees, plants use water on a daily basis. So there's a number of statistics listed for you to reference how much water are we using on a daily basis. The first part of the activity that you can go through analyzes in smaller groups different ways that we might use water. So things that you need for this one are paper and pencil. There's a diagram and a chart to fill in that you can print off to make use of. The second part of it is how much water do we use, and sort of looking at our daily use of water and the different things that we use water. So this simple activity goes through a number of things that we need and use water for every day. What is one thing that you used water for today already? You brushed your teeth. Great. Flush the toilet. That's something we need a lot of water for every day. So there's a number of things that the activity, there's teacher's notes or at-home notes for adults, for your parents to go over. It has all the answers listed for you. And there's a number of charts and activities that go through and document how we use water on a daily basis. So there's a number of different things that we use water for every day. Cooking, cleaning, laundry, and drinking, of course, yes. So the last experiment that we have is an experiment where you're going to be measuring volumes of water for different things that you use it for every day. There's a chart within the activity outline that you're going to be cutting up and putting on 2 different cards. So one of the cards is to be water wise. Clever conservers. So how are you conserving water? Using less water on the things that we use water every day. So for this one, we're flushing the toilet only when we need to. We never flush down things that shouldn't go down the toilet just to get rid of them. So if you have a low flow toilet, you might be using a very small amount of water, 4.8 liters of water. You'll need a pail and 3 liters of water to do the experiment. My 4-cup measuring cup or my 1 liter, so we need 3 of those poured into our bucket. And then as we use the water wise or clever conservers, we take water out for our daily water use. You need another pail for the other group. So if you have 1 child, you might want to do this 2 different times. If you have more than 1 child, maybe you can divide them up into 2 teams. Some of them can be the clever about water, and the other can be the water wasters. So for the same activity, you can take out water based on, you flush the toilet for almost everything that you need in the bathroom. You flush down a Kleenex after you've blown your nose rather than putting it in the green bin. So there's different things that we just flush the toilet for when we don't really need to. Or we have a very large old-fashioned toilet that has a lot of volume of water there. So we're taking out with our measuring cup depending on how much water it tells us to take out. So it's comparing the different activities based on being water conservers or water wasters. So have fun with that. Check back in with us and let us know how it went. Have a good day.